All right, before I go to the next concept, I want to write a code and ask you, are they same or what? What is your thought? Let's say I am going to write quickly similar code called sum. So ignore addition, only focus on sum for now. And I am going to write another sum with 3 numbers. Yeah. What do you see? See only the first part of it. What do you see here? Well, probably you'll be noticing in this code that it's like pushing something extra into the same thing. So if you see, you're trying to push and give one more, but just trying to, something you have, you're trying to push its boundary and keep one more. Isn't it like you have something and you're trying to load it more, push and load more? What we call when you load something more than its size, overloading. So overloading is a concept where the name will be same, but the signature part, parameter part, not the signature. The list of the parameters would differ in some or the other way, but the name will be same. And if you see in the previous discussion, we had given a lot of examples. You had add with float and integer, integer and float, string and string, all that things. It's not that always you have to increase the number of the parameters. For that matter, even this would be a legal option, legally correct coding technology. This would also be called overloading. Internally, that is an error because of some different reason, but we want to understand the concept here. So you can always take this example also to understand that overloading is not about having same size in terms of the list of your parameters. So here the name is same, but if you see integer and integer, float and integer, and then of course increase in the size. All these are the valid example for overloading. And that was, gentlemen, I wanted you to understand, because a lot of the places we get a lot of confusions. Why do you get confused? Because you do not go ahead and understand with an example called overloading. Now, since we have taken 4 concepts, we should create a small application using class, method, signatures, overloading, and make a small application so that you understand how they works. And later we will be working upon OOP inheritance, overloading, and we'll continue on the next set of requirements. All right.